Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing the new Cocoa Daisy kits for the month of May. This collection is called Flourish, so it definitely has a spring floral vibe based on the title and the sneaks that I've already seen. I get sent the scrapbooking core kit with the add-on of the Simple Dori and the pocket cards, and then I get the journaling kit. And if you recall, the journaling kit is always more of a sticker-based subscription, and the others are my classic scrapbooking subscriptions. So here's how they arrive for me. So the journaling kit, the pocket pages, and then the scrapbooking core kit, and my Dori is usually inside. So here's the cards and the vinyl sticker that comes with it. Always so nice. And I love to start off with the Simple Dori. That way you can already see the color palette and pattern papers that we will be seeing throughout the collection. So here is the Dori. Look. Love it. Absolutely love it. This year I have loved the kits. It's on a green background. That's really pretty too. I like the smaller print of that one. Look how pretty. See? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stop the smell. And flowers. Cute. Looks like a gift. And the scalloped edge. This is very pretty. Very layered look. Very pretty. Oh yes. Girls, you know we're creating with this one. You know the 2-page spread always. The illustrations are so good. Okay. Oh, that one was like a plaid watercolor. Hash marks. Oh, so pretty. You see why I've been loving it. And last month was so great, and the month before that was so great. It's been, yeah, so good. Look at the faded polka dots. Oh, and the little patchwork one. Very sweet. Very sweet. Love it, love it. Okay, let's continue on with the scrapbooking kit. Okay, so there is one little like metal plate that says wish for mine. It looks like a little like Tim Holtz something. These are thick little canvas word strips. Oh yeah, they're like felt. So you get 4 of those. A washi with that green hash mark, which looks like, I'll show you the pattern. It was in the back. It's in the back. It was this hash mark. So that's the washi. Well, that's the washi. Always have a cute stamp set. Sunshine on my mind. This is our everyday. Stressed. Breathe. Note to self. Remember you've got this. More than not enough. Oh, no. More than enough because it's scratching out not. And then it says overwhelmed and that scratch out. Oh, and that one says stressed and says breathe and simplify. Okay, got it. And then grow through what you go through. We have some die cuts. Flowers, little tiny text. There's that little patchwork, butterfly, some labels. This is our everyday. That's the stamp too. That one right there. A couple leaves. Very sweet. Of course, the glitter enamel dots. Puffy alphas in like a tealy blue, turquoisey blue. Oh, 2 bookmarks or 2 too long tags. The chipboard. I'll show you everything. The rub-ons. Oh, here's another plate. So one says wish, one says lucky. Rub-ons. Very pretty. 2 white cardstock. That's the one. 2 yellow, like wreath ones. Oh, I gotta use this for sure. And the back is that repeat pattern. And this one's the washi tape pattern again. And then up the scalloped and this one. Love the colors. Love everything. This is the show for me. I am definitely using this one for something. But if I use it, because I like it, because I can probably put a photo, something easily there, of my journaling. Okay, let's go through the pocket cards. So here we are with May, Memories. There it is again. Love that too. One. Cute. So pretty. Okay, those were the pocket cards. Okay, the journaling kit includes a very thin washi that is like a corally, peachy salmon color with a tiny, delicate floral on there. Very dainty sweet, very cute. We always have the journal card with all of the prompts. The sheets of washi stickers, so the ones with the quotes and some washi strips, the days of the weeks in the 4 fonts and all the numbers. And then the full pages, so pretty. Some icons and then another alpha. And then you get 2 more sheets of rub-ons for your journal and planners. Love these ones too. Love the floral. I love the big bright colors. I love the peach with the aqua mint color and the yellow. Very fun, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, let me clear off my desk and let's get creating something with the Flourish kit from Cocoa Daisy. Okay, so we are starting off with the Traveler's Notebook. You know I always love my Traveler's Notebook, and the tag was also incredible with the gorgeous, luscious illustrations of these florals. So I paired it on top of a rather busy like background page. It was the green one that kind of looked like it had multiple like layers of, you know, pattern on it, like almost like a foliage, and then it was like probably something speckled, and then a floral design on top of that, and it just looked very intricate. So the contrast between the busy background and then blotting out, you know, most of it with the tag, actually what made the page usable. So with that 4x6, no, 3x4 card, I cut out the letters that were beautiful, beautiful, on top of it. And once again, since the collection all works together, the colors are perfect and picks up everything in the pattern papers itself. For the opposite side, I have printed a quick selfie I took of me and my golden doodle Maui on one of our walks. I have my headsets on because when I'm walking with him, I definitely always listen to an audiobook. It's just my thing. So, especially when we're near, there's this one gate that has nothing but bougainvillea, the vining flowery plant all along the sidewalk, and it is simply gorgeous, and it's blooming down here in Florida, so I definitely snapped a photo in front of it. So it's just printed on 3x4, and right now I'm just kind of auditioning out other elements like the chipboard and everything else. You can see I'm adding some extra stamping from the 3x4 stamp set, simply because I want to. I think I always say this. I always like to feature as much of the kit as possible so that you get creative ways on how to use it. Because sometimes I know I do. The stamp gets overlooked, and it's unfortunate because it's always a good stamp. But because you have such beautiful elements and everything else, you always think I have to use those first. But adding a little bit of stamping here and there is definitely something I've gotten in the habit of considering, I should say. So some stamping is going on. I have a half a circle chipboard above my photo, and I have a little label that I think that says springtime on it, that's kind of overhanging my photo and onto the page, which is lovely. And then you saw me use one of those, we haven't seen them lately, these little like fabric with tiny text on it, and they're white, and it actually fit perfectly under the photo as well. So here I am just adding a few of those washi sticker icons to the pages, so to create some layering effect. That one is always a good way to also, once again, add more, items from the kit to your layout. Definitely do some light journaling off camera, and I adhere it down with the clear sticker paper. That way it blends into the background and doesn't just look like a blocked out, journaling area. And this was a quick, simple one. I used the tag, even though I thought about using the tags to actually create like a bookmark for one of my books, but I do have plenty of bookmarks. I'd rather use it in my memory keeping. And I think I also am adding on a few elements like some washi tape and some things along the bottom. Okay, that will wrap up this first project using the Flourish collection. I just added on that trim right there, just so something that was through the hole. Love the light stamping, and this color, the tea dye, just matches perfectly with this orangey kind of brown taupey color. So did that, added the little felt, the little washi that matched. And I'll do my journaling handwritten down here. So lovely, lovely. This collection is oh so beautiful. I will leave it linked down below for your shopping convenience. And stay tuned for more videos featuring this collection. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, everyone, bye.